This is the very appropriately named Redburn, not far from Irvine. The red is caused by ferric oxide. Now, bacteria live within the water here, and they're converting the soluble ferrous salts that have come from the leachate from old coal mines into the ferric, and they're using the energy to stay alive. Recently, the oldest fossil-containing rocks on Earth were seen to have these fossil cells within them. So this is one of the oldest forms of life on Earth. It's called chemosynthesis, using chemical energy rather than the energy of sunlight or respiration.